batty, man. Straight, me I tell you. This can't real. This can't real. Me can't come back to Jamaica. If me would murder when God come out of the sky. None of no pussy can ramp with me. Why I bring FOOTA, bring down Shensia? Why I tear FOOTA, tear down Shensia? Me have to stand accountable for what you say. Them thing there make that little nobody girl feel like she can come say that to our picnic and our public platform and our fucking culture. And I tell man say fuck batty and she take fucking her batty and she love it.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. Viewers and subscribers, you know it's a boy Nando and I building with another episode, another vlog. So I have these clippings with me here with FOOTA Hype where he went live, and trust me people, in another video here, FOOTA Hype a iron for a lengthy amount of superstar, or I should say a lengthy amount of dancehall artists, the likes of Valiant, the likes of Spice, the likes of Shensia, the likes of Vibes Cartel, and he was saying that, yo, them people are them is like them a promote the, you know, the Battyism, and them a promote like the rainbow flag side of people them, and it's like nobody not really out here I really fight the righteous side of things, and it's like him alone really out here for defend the righteousness of with culture as Jamaicans. And you know him I say, yo, most of the people them in our culture, in a Jamaican culture, is like them uphold with the slackness, because he was reflecting or reacting to the recent video with JAII and this girl called Chrissy and JAII Toxic Talk, and he was saying, and FOOTA Hype is saying that them thing are not good for the culture, them thing are not good for the pitney them. And trust me people, the clip here is a lengthy clip, but to the way of FOOTA Hype attack and a try, and at one point it was seeming like, it seems like he's getting so emotional to a standpoint where he might get dark and mad, and him just attack some things people. But me don't want to talk out the video because it's a long, lengthy video. I'm going to play it for you so you get the clear, good, and true perspective of where FOOTA Hype really depend. Because trust me people, me can definitely say I agree with them that say, because I did a recent vlog about the same issue already, you know, stated that, yo, Jano, them thing are not good for culture, them thing are not good for the pitney, the eyes of the young ones them growing up. So listen to what FOOTA Hype say people, and remember to share your thoughts in our comment section. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button, and always remember to hit that post notification bell, so stay tuned, so whenever I always drop a vlog, y'all can always get the latest and freshest updates of vlogs. So watch these people and share your thoughts in our comment section.
Tell you what I'm going with you now, man. You see through somehow, you know, indulge in the nasty things too, but nobody no know. So sometimes when I end up on my page, FOOTA chat too much, love people, I want to inner guiltiness, me couldn't say that. Now, remember me and twins of twins, them are bridging, you know. I want to listen to me, you know, because me not talk for clout and me not care how I want to go viral away. From my heart, me and twins of twins, them are bridging from a long time, from suffering days. And the twin them used to drop off me and mother up a cassava piece or up a stone hill, or, you know. Them used to build my, when me just a bus, and them used to build my clothes with all my name in a back and them thing there, and, you know, customize something for me from where I show and thing. And me used to pay them, yeah, but them still help me out because me never rich. You understand me? I say, me and them are bridging like that. But FOOTA Hype, have a line when me draw when certain things happen. Me can highlight this boy where him say him want him in love him back part play with. And me come out and say anybody Missy got interview with a boy, I mean I trust you. Any man Missy got interview with a boy after him said that, me not trust you. And after that, my bridging 2 lakhs, I got carry him, fit him podcast in him house. And you don't expect me for bunny? You don't expect me for bunny out? Come here and twin them not have nothing, you know. Not more time I see them video people attack me, them are who me not like FOOTA, rare. But what him say the truth. Tell the people them why you hate FOOTA. Because you gonna sit down with the shit boy and you say you try out reason him. You know if you want to reason with him none at all. Him shouldn't depend on your program. Him should forward in your domain. Or you invite him in your domain. First thing, or you take up your phone and call him to invite him to have a conversation with you. You mad? No clout, nothing come after him. You don't want no attention after him. You don't want to interview him. You don't want to talk to him. So me find that as a problem. I'm just say, yo, I eat that 2 lakhs, man. You're mad, man. Defile, brother. You can't do that. See? Me not gonna laugh with you for that. No, me you could have 1 million a year worth of friendship. It's a low attempt that, to me, is a low attempt that to get views and get attention on the net. Because you don't want to interview him, you don't want to talk to him then at all. Worse, you carry him in your own domain. In your own domain, you're mad. Then boy they could come from, not even from my phone him can't forward. Much less become sit down in my place and talk to me. And then when I watch it something, the boy had a style in your own place. And I talk tough to you on your own program. Me too ignorant for that. And I'm you that invite that disrespect because you invite that disrespect there. You're mad? Would I get up and use the laptop and bust him head? So me can't do that. You see me? Should interview him. So that me and the twin them have a problem. Me and them now no more problem. So after that, remember me see the artists when me rate, you know, when I listen me to people. The artists when me rate. Me rate Valiant. Rate Valiant. Remember me come out and them say, oh, I new thing, me say Valiant. And the only new artists me say have 7 songs one time. Usually new artists bust with 1 little song and pick up him have 7 one time and I run the place. Remember say, me see Valiant, God the party after them say nah go and hold up boy and about loyalty for life. Oh, you have to say loyalty for life to a man who just confess to the world, say him get him body play with and him love it. So me delete the whole of Valiant song them out of my laptop. All now me not put back one in my laptop. And when I hate Valiant, some level of discipline of it there. You can't say the word loyal to that person is a wicked word and then you say for life. That means for the rest of life? No, brother. Can't work with that. And then me say, Valiant, go back, go do him interview with again. Go up on the sofa again. So me I go see if Valiant, I go back, go link him again. And no expect if you burn him out. If me see you deal back with that man in a Valiant, you can always have FOOTA as your worst enemy on earth. Anyhow me see you even exchange back words with that boy there. You can't tell me say you straight. If me see Valiant deal back with a boy we say for sex girl in a body don't make you a body man. Valiant, me know you are going to see this, them are going to tag you. If me, O'Neal FOOTA hype, Thomas, see out of them here, you deal back with him, you can't tell me say you're straight. You could have 1 million gun, you could have linked with 1 million bad man, you could have US Army, Navy, British, MI6, MI7, you could have been the baddest man on earth. If me see a chat back to that boy there, or deal with him, or anything, yeah. Batty man dog. Anyhow me see a deal back with him, none at all, you can't tell me nothing. You're batty man. Straight me I tell you that. Remember you got two cards you get already, you know. One you got the party and say loyalty for life. To him, you know. After him say him getting batty play with, you know. And secondly, you go back on him podcast, you know. I third chance this year I get now. Anyhow, we see a deal with this year boy. We say if you fuck girl in a body don't make you a body man. Remember the world don't like me for the truth already. I continue to speak the truth. I live or dead, that's how it go. Anyhow, me see a deal back with a boy a Valiant. You can't tell me nothing at all on earth. That me I tell you. Remember, people watch a commenter. That man say stop play God. Stop play God, my G. You're a batty man too. You can't tell me nothing. All a black off from my page. Suck out your mother. Why not that a play God? Why not that a play God? A boy I come out come tell me straight say my batty boy I come talk about play God. When I play God I him attack what him a do. I him attack what him a do. I want to you. That makes so much picnic and missing in Jamaica. And that makes so much woman I get murdered. And that makes so much woman I get raped. I told the police them not telling me, you know. So enough of the girl them I find dead, you know. Them get booger, you know. I told the police them I try hold on that part tight, you know. The girl them get raped both in them vagina and in them bottom. Only if you remember that, you know, dog. Only if you remember that, you know. Me no come around if you beg friend with nobody, you know. Me, I go suffer for righteousness, you know. Me, O'Neal FOOTA Hype Thomas, I go suffer for righteousness. Me nah go be the richest and me nah go have the most material things for you to say me great. Cause of that you know judge greatness after now material things. How much car you have, how much house you have, how much chain you have, how much ring you have, and of that me I deal with. Me I deal with life. The richest blessings is life, Bob Marley telling you already, you know. Me see, Badman artists, Idonia, their party, they there with him entourage, the whole entourage, watch the boy here, come over, come beg picture from Donia, and have cameraman and wait to take the picture. Oh, none of them gangsters they run Donia, never box down the boy, or run with the boy. Therefore you see him have cameraman until you know I set him and set up the DJ. Cause I want a picture go out there with him and take picture with the DJ after me burn him out. So people can laugh and say, what's your FOOTA burn out the man and Badman DJ them I take picture with him same way. And then when me talk, man I grumble. No man can't grumble. Cause you know should have grumble when the boy come to take picture and kick down him bum buckler. Him fi get kicked down and lick in the face. Yeah, me choose violence today. Jamaica too safi. The street get too lame. The street get too weak. One time if them boy they blow them speed so them have to lock up in a bulb. And can't come on road. And that's why blood clot so much thing are gone. And every man quick for talk about FOOTA fi dead. And FOOTA fi get licked in the face. God kill me right or something. Any boy run a DJ ramp with me as God as my witness. Fi nothing when me say when me attack truth and right. Me spend every dollar fi kill you no. Before so me done with music and murder on a blood clot. Mother, family, cousin, nephew, all of the friend them would have killed. Cause you not kill no batty boy. And you not kill no shit in a plate with this on the artist them. And come groans out on the artist them. But you have strength for me. And Jamaica blood clot mash up. See you can accept them look up pussy here. Big blood clot platform come all a big either. Yo, you know why wickedest thing? You know me sliding at the girl a DM already too. Me sliding at the girl a DM already, you know. I'm doing a DM I wait and she a hype and me just slide out back. I gotta want me. No, me I tell you the truth, me slide. Me think I want decent girl. Me slide in her DM already, me I tell you the truth. And no energy and no, and me slide out back. And it's a girl we never used to talk. She not too talk. That's why nobody don't know her. She's a quiet little girl. But me gotta tell you why she do what she do now. Me gotta tell you why she do what she do. You know why me telling you why she do what she do? Today is a day where me gonna get more enemy. You know why that girl there can come out and say what she say, and say it the way she say it, and call up the artist them name brawling, and me not see no comment section for no artist I say she fi dead. Like when FOOTA talk, you see million man, oh suck your mother FOOTA hype, you fi dead, te. I don't see that energy under the post there. Me see shit in a plate. This Sizzler say Sizzler fi suck his mother. Me no see nobody have the energy there for the shit in a plate to say that. But me and Sizzler did have a little disagreement. No suck mother no go on or nothing. And a 1 million comment me see and DM FOOTA fi dead. You can't come back to Jamaica, you can't this and that. See me and Sizzler hold back a vibe. Cause it never that serious. Me and Killer have an argument them and thing. As bridging, father and son, be a man, FOOTA fi dead, FOOTA. The same shit in a plate. This Killer, this Beanie, this Spice, this everybody. Me no see nobody say them fi dead. Me see the said shit in a plate. Got Jamaica. Got Uptown Mondays. Take mic and talk and diss up people on the mic in a Uptown Mondays. That's me have to sit down and hold me head to blood clot and say, this can't real. This can't real, but a man go in a comment section say, me can't come back to Jamaica. If me would murder when God come out of the sky. If we not take disrespect from shit in a plate, if Batman and Saddamite can diss you know, and me as a straight man I speak on truths and facts, I don't want to kill me. I war till eternity, pussy. War till eternity. Gunshot and board box. Me I tell you, none of the pussy can ramp with me. After me see blood clot, Batman and Saddamite and Ishi, this you know, and this you know artists them brawling publicly and still walk back a road at Jamaica everywhere. I want to skin in the teeth with them, but I don't have chance for. I want to figure out something. Hey. Anyway, me go back to the subject. I don't want to get off track. You know why the girl there able to feel brave enough to come out on a public platform and say things like that? Them very discriminating, disgusting. I don't even know how to describe it. Because when Shensia go on Angela Yee show and say who in a batty she a deal with, and she do it already but it never do good, and she want to do it again the right way, she get away with it. When me burn a road for that, all artists support her same way. Nobody no shun her. Nobody no make she feel bad. Nobody no run her away. And so Shensia go sit down. Go apologize for that and fix up your blood clot self. Every man, oh she pretty, she nice. No, she shit up. Why we can't say that? Yeah, she pretty, she sexy, but she shit up. Cause she bring out that. Why we can't say that? Why I bring FOOTA, bring her down because he must say something what she say. Why I bring FOOTA, bring down Shensia? Why I tear FOOTA, tear down Shensia? Me not tear down Shensia. But you have to stand accountable for what you say. You have to hold accountable for what you say. And a damn thing there make that little nobody girl feel like she can come say that to our picnic and our public platform and our fucking culture. And I tell man say for fuck batty and she take fucking her batty and she love it. And we to accept that? When Spice go do Batman show openly, Zine, do Batman show and get away with it. And not get no ridicule, no nothing. That's why this girl feel like she can come do this. That's why. When Spice last week, a week and a half ago, I parade with this batty boy, yeah. And they are the show, and the boy attack me the biggest batty man in Canada, and she endorse it. And when me look on it, she went viral, yeah. Since you love viral. When me get the screenshot them and look, the post them get liked by Vibes Cartel. Me no hear nobody talk about that. And nearly a week or 2 weeks now, I'm still gonna watch and say, let me see who I got hold Spice accountable for that. And let me see who I got say, oh, Vibes Cartel feel like them posts here. Since you don't want something to go viral, let's go. Come sit down and watch it. Even if you don't have nothing to say, oh, you click like upon that. For all of them. Him like all of them. So make it make sense. When Pampute go do the Batman show, and Angel, and Tifa, and Aishana, nobody not say nothing. And me the hungry person say something. I no hate me hate them. Me hate what the fuck them I do. I no tear me I tear them down. Me I address you accordingly. When Lila Ike come out, come say she a lesbian or she do girl or whatever, nobody now hold her accountable. That's why this little girl feel like it's a safe space to come say all what she want to say. So make it make sense to me now. Make it make sense. Me just there, you know. I try protect the structure of the culture, you know. That's all me I do, you know. I don't know, go and like say, I'm me wrong, you know. After them wrong, you know, uno afraid, uno a bitch, and uno a coward, if you look on them and say, uno fuck up. Alright, so somebody say, what about Beanie? And what about Bunty? Bunty get beaten like dog. For that no doubt video there. All when the man is in a different scene, them beat kill and nearly kill him. Beanie man, when him do that rope or something, them beat him, nearly kill him. I'll know him I get beaten for it. None of uno no beat Shensia, uno no beat Spice, uno no beat Tifa, uno no beat Pampute, uno no beat Angel, uno no beat none of them will do that something. Uno make it look like it's okay. That's my problem. Uno now understand why the problem. The problem is there is no disciplinary action for these dirty deeds within the culture. Nobody now say nothing. Them a act like it okay. And that's why you have them look. Here, let me tell you now what I want. You see that girl who want to sit up on the dirty couch with the batty boy? She have a store. Listen. Zine, she have a store. But she see say, all the place are run. When you go them nasty road there, nobody no burn you out. And it just, everybody want know you no one way. So what she are doing now is a business tragedy she are doing now. To get famous after this nasty thing, yeah, and make her store so sell more clothes. You think, say, if she didn't know, say, if she come utter them thing there, she can't even go up on the road, much less for sell clothes. Should I do it? She wouldn't do it. She wouldn't do it. But she knows, say, instead of she get burn out, she gonna get fans. She knows that she gonna get fans. And then, because this boy is already a sprat, She knows a film platform is okay for her to go on because he's about that life. I wonder if you understand where I go on. I wonder if you understand the deeper logics of where I go on. There is no disciplinary action when people go against the grid of the culture. And because the major players in the game I do it and now get ridiculed, the little ants and the little rascal at roach and the little fly them feel like them for pitch. And that happened to the culture, you know. Nobody is being held responsible for them demonic, dirty deeds what them I bring to the forefront of the culture. And me alone look like me have a problem with it, you know. And me alone look like me have a problem. That's why it look like me are the enemy, you know. Because everybody batty out and fish out, you know, and grounds out, you know. Cause who don't even know, you know, enough of the artists them want to see a burn out FOOTA hype, you know. And I go on like them want to silence me and want to fight me. I chew them tear off back door and name front. I chew uno no know in the public. Say them grounds, then gone. Uno have it said them a big bad straight artist. And uno no know say them a dig girl bottom and a name girl front hard. So when me upon the fire, them hate me, but them just can't bleed, them can't come out late and they say, I don't like FOOTA pussy that way. Cause them know say when them do that now, me I go turn on back my life. And me I go clap back and say, alright, you call me name now. Ready now. Make we drop the thing them now. Enough of them gone. Enough of them when you see I try shut down FOOTA hype neatly and I shun FOOTA hype, them gone. And them know say me know. So that's why these people, Zine, I get away with these things. Nobody now burn them out again. Nobody now burn them out again. So the little ticky them now, cause you have, remember you have whale, you have shark, and you have the little ticky them. And then you have the roach and the fly them. The whole of them feel like them fi come out, come corrupt the place because the big one them a corrupt the place and nobody now say nothing. Me sit down and wait from last week. Fi see who, which one of them vlogger ya, which one of them blogger boy ya, will love call me name. I got talk or spice up a raid with the batty man in a dancehall thing. I'll know me not see none of them say nothing about that. I'll know me not see none of them say nothing about that. Me sit down and watch it, you know. Sit down and watch it. She go up and date with a batty man. Him in a heels, him in a gosha, him in a whatever, him in a. Then you have a next one, she got the show, and he must say, when I say batty, you say boy, the biggest batty man in Canada, Rere. And she repeat it and hype him up. And when me look, all the Gaza boss like it. Me not hear none of two chatty mouth idiot them talk about that. And him not like one post, him like all I post them with the batty man. Make a did me like a post like that and you see. Make a did FOOTA hype like a post like that and you see something. So nobody not say nothing about that. And me have the post them screenshotting on my phone. Me just wait. Me wait nearly a week and add now nearly two weeks. I mean not hear nobody say nothing about it. Nobody. Me sit down so I watch the internet. And I watch it and I watch it and I watch it. And I say, ooh, I gotta say something about this. I'm sit down, I'm wait. I'm still a wait. And I mean, see, man, if you come say something about it, nobody not say nothing about it. Why? Because them have whole heap of house and whole heap of car. So nothing no wrong with it. Spice rich, so nothing no wrong with it. Teacher rich, so nothing no wrong with it. But FOOTA nah no money. So something wrong with everything when FOOTA say. So it's only about money. So me if it dead now, them fi kill FOOTA and FOOTA fi vanish off of the earth. Because him straight, but him not rich. And we must accept all shakiness from the people them rich. As long as people rich, it's cool. But when you're not rich, it's not okay. Okay. That's why the girl could have come out and utter them something there. You see, if she did know, say, if she come out and utter that, she never sell her next thread. She never sell her next piece of clothes out of her store. She can't go up on the public passenger transport and talk to nobody. She can't come near nobody in a party. If everybody that got scan her, can you not have to kill them, you know? You don't have to put a finger upon them, you know? You don't have to box them, you don't have to kick them, you don't have to do none of that, you know? You see, if she didn't know, say, when she gonna party, everybody gonna skin up them face and look on her like the shit that she is, she wouldn't do it. If she didn't know, say, when she go up on that attack, she not sell her next thread, she wouldn't do it. Imagine how fear all full of disease. Imagine how fear vagina full of disease. Imagine how bacteria and plaque and tartar and gingivitis and fungus and everything in a fear hole, and our body just a run up and down like a Olympics. Eh? Imagine how World War III are fighting a fear body. Red blood cell versus blood clot, white blood cell versus virus and gok. Imagine. Imagine. I mean, here she like this a youth or a mouth stink. Imagine how fear mouth rotten. Imagine what going on in a fear mouth. As good as she kiss him and make fear mouth stink. I mean, here she call him name and diss him. And me no hear say she get run down from morning. Me no hear say nobody see her and box her down. Make her did me say something about none of them man here. And see if them no say FOOTA fi dead. And call people and say me pay you fi kill him. And me a telling you the truth, people. I choose she no call my name, but me slide in her DM already. And me have to slide out back. Years ago, come like reminding you, you know. Years ago, FOOTA hype did forward pan a live, yeah. And FOOTA hype did say to you, say, eventually, the game and them at Jamaica, I go start deal with badness. I tell you, say the game and them I go start see straight man, touch them up, rape them, do anything them want to do. Me telling you, say 90% of the crimes against females, a gay man I do it. Who remember when me did say that? Who remember when me did tell you that? Everything when me say come to pass, you know. Every single thing. People, me don't know what more you need. Fi see, fi understand, say, I am a deliverer of the message of God, you know. You know, I feel like me. You know, I feel like me. But you feel listen when me talk. Always listen. Don't say 8 foot and don't listen. Listen. Some of the things them when me say are 2 years ago or 3 years ago. But all of them come to pass. All of them. Me don't know how me can tell myself for rich or me just probably not destined for rich financially. But me destined for be great. My greatness can't stop. But everybody just thinks say you're only blessed when you get money. Blessings not only come in money. I want to tell you say blessings from God come more in things when I have material value. You know? I do not listen. This sympathetic behavior towards homosexuals in Jamaica is one of the main problem with crime. It's one of the main problem with crimes against females. Zine, me tell you all the while say, as a man, we truly love woman. Zine, if you truly love woman, if you are a lady lover, it is impossible for you to be a lady killer. Any man you see in any ghetto, anywhere in the world, we feed them specialty of to kill woman, them a batty man. Me not ask you. It's just a matter of time for you to find out. But them a batty man. Them hate woman. Any boy, you see, love kill girl. And love kill pick me a batty man them. Me not ask you. Me I tell you. I years me I telling you this, you know. There's no way me love my mother, you know. My mother drop out and gone, you know. And sometimes me I sleep. People, me I tell you this, sometimes me I sleep, in my sleep, and me I cry. And when me walk me I beer water, me miss my mother. Me miss my mother till me I cry in my sleep. My mama gone on my bed and I sleep. Sorry. And me wake up to tears. Miss my mother. Me love my daughter endlessly. Right now I miss my daughter like crazy. Me not talk to her all long. Me love woman. No matter how much woman fuck for me, give me bun. No matter what, me love woman. If you look on Explore up on Instagram, every look good girl you see say FOOTA like them picture. Me swear to God. Me love woman. Me love woman. If you go up and Explore up on Instagram right now and click on any hot girl picture, me sure say you see some likes over there for FOOTA hype. No man we truly love woman from their heart cannot get up and kill woman and do them something else. I don't like them boy and a woman a fight and by accident them kill the woman. No. Them boy are deliberately go to kill the girl them. Cause them hate girl. So no boy, we get up and boy my girl killer. Can't tell me nothing. Me grow in a ghetto, we run place, we link with all kind of ghetto. The man we always willing to kill girl and ready to go kill girl. No gunner come, we always end up find out say my batty boy. No gunner come. Every ghetto we go in in a system, then the man will ever want to kill be a girl, from the long run, we hear a fish that blood clot. That's why they might kill girls. You're that idiot, you did want to kill your baby mother, that's why she leave you. Did want to kill that, I same thing? There's enough time you think to kill some people, I'm not about to kill them. You can't stop me from thinking to kill somebody. Me not even a black because you're illiterate and fool no blood clot. And look how much time I want to kill people. Look how much time people aggravate you and want to bust them rascal head and we think about it. We all plan it too in a way. And we not execute it. You can't charge me for that. Charge me for that now? We are talk about them boy and we are go around. I take with the girl them. I rape the girl them bottom and I rape them pum pum and kill them. And I dash them where I about the place. What do you see one 4-year-old get gunshot? Them kill a 8-year-old brethren. Yo, you not feel like me, you know, bro. You not feel like me, you know, dog. Nobody not feel like me when me talk my truth, you know. Me I live in my truth, you know. Them boy I get out of hand. And a long time me I telling you say them out of hand. And if you don't listen me long time, would have start fix things from a long time. Would have start fix things from long time. From long time, but on the favorite thing, FOOTA chat too much. Then the next favorite thing, Jesus Christ, FOOTA did it right. Go suck on the mother too, man. Bumbucklat. Wanna wait till the place dead off to say me did it right? Why you can't listen me before the fuckery happen? Why?
So yeah, viewers and subscribers, FOOTA hype out here about a real fire, and definitely my love for see it, and you can see it in my whole emotion. Say the man dark, he's pissed off about the whole thing we are going, and nobody no really out and attack outrightly. And as him saying, because of most of them artists here, why people, some regular person like Chrissy can come out and really attack them things here, and I say some things were not really right fit and not really palatable for the media and for the kids them ears will love the Instagram and the TikTok and all of them platforms there. So FOOTA hype a bona fire, and me agree with him, because me is a man, you know, a Bible thing me depend, you know. I believe in the Bible, and some of the things where the Bible I say where you see people out here do, you know, right, it's not righteous. So having a man like FOOTA hype out here a bona fire, it's a good thing, because you know at one point it may seem like the fire now really burn again, the fire now blaze again, like the Rasta them now come out and talk about them thing. Even though you know Rasta may not too in tune with them, something I watch them thing. Rasta more in tune with the righteousness than humbleness and moral. So them thing are going in our world, them thing are going in our culture, and nobody no really attack. So FOOTA hype a burn it out, and you see him a burn out the Vibes Cartel and the Spice them, and I say yo, at them are a problem, them celebrity and the Shensi of them. Can remember Shensi said she wanted it up her rear, or she tried up her rear and it never do good, and she want to try it again. So it's just crazy. But people, share your thoughts in the comment section and tell me what you think. Share your thoughts. I'm mad thing. I'm out. Peace.